a rare waterhole. In deserts, most waterholes are short-lived. They appear after rains, but then vanish almost as quickly as they came. Animals have come here from many kilometers around. Yet this can be a dangerous place in which to linger. 100 kilometers away, in the heart of the desert, sandgrouse chicks are hatching. It's safer for them to be here. But being so distant from water is a gamble. With only their mother to shield them from the sun, if they get nothing to drink, they will be dead within hours. Their only hope is their father. Every morning he makes the 200-kilometer round trip to get water for the family. Grouse from all over the desert visit this oasis, arriving together in large flocks. And that is important. There's safety in numbers. The male snatches a drink, but he also needs to collect water for his chicks. Using specially adapted breast feathers, he can soak up water like a sponge. But it takes time, and he is in danger.